हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट क्लास में हमने कुछ टॉपिक्स पढ़े थे पॉलिनोमियल के, अबाउट पॉलिनोमियल, टाइप्स ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल, वैल्यू ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल, जीरोस ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल, फैक्टर थ्योरम, रिमाइंडर थ्योरम। तो उस पे बेस हम कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जो अभी आईजेएसओ में पूछे गए हैं। तो एक नेक्स्ट द क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन द पॉलिनोमियल 6x raised to the power 4 plus 8x cube plus 17x square plus 21x plus 7 is divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 1. The remainder is ax minus b. The remainder is ax minus b. Find a and b. So the solution of this question is 6s raised to the power 4 plus 8x cube plus 17x square plus 21x plus 7 is divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 1. From here there is a in dividend part 6x raised to the power 4 plus 8x cube plus 17x square plus 21x plus 7, and divisor is 3x square plus 4x plus 1. So in dividend part the value, first term is 6x raised to the power 4. So we have to multiply 3x square by 2x raised to the power 2 so that the term becomes 6x raised to the power 4. 4x when multiplied by 2x square, this becomes 8x cube. 1 is multiplied by this becomes 2x square. So by changing the sign, minus minus minus, this term is cancel out, this one is also cancel out, and the value is remaining value is 15x square plus 21x plus 7. Now 3x square is multiplied by which term to get a value 15x square? The value is plus 5. The result becomes 15x square. When 4x is multiplied by 5, the value becomes 20x, and 1 is multiplied by 5 is 5. Now changing the sign, minus minus minus, this value is cancel out. Here is come x plus 2. So compare x plus 2 by ax minus b. Value of a is equals to 1 and b is equals to minus 2. That is the answer. That is the answer. Next question is the remainder obtained. The remainder obtained when t raised to power 6 plus 3t square plus 10 is divided by t cube plus 1 is. So we have to find remainder in this question by remainder theorem. If t cube plus 1 equals to 0, then t cube is equals to minus 1. So t is also minus 1. So put the value of t in the given polynomial t raised to power 6 plus 3t square plus 10. Put t is equals to minus 1 in above expression. We get minus 1 raised to the power 6 plus 3 minus 1 raised to the power 2 plus 10. So the value become 1 plus 3 plus 10 is equals to 14. 14 is the remainder. 14 is the remainder. Next topic is our algebraic identities. Next topic is algebraic identities. In previous class we learned many identities. I revise all these identities again. First is very simple. A plus b raised to the power whole square is 2. Whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Second one, a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third one is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b, a minus b. Fourth is a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Fifth is a plus b whole cube is equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Sixth is a minus b whole cube is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab in bracket a minus b. Seventh identity is a cube plus b cube. It is equals to a plus b product of a square plus b square minus ab. Eighth, a cube minus b cube is equals to a minus b a square plus b square plus ab. Next identity, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equals to a plus b plus c a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. We can write this identity also 1 by 2 of a plus b plus c in bracket a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. And the last identity is special case identity. If a plus b plus c is equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. These identities are some question based on these identities which came in IGSO. Write down the question. If xy square is equals to a cube, yz square is equals to b cube, and zx square is equals to c cube, then z cube equals to. This is the question came in IGSO 2013. IGSO 2013. Solution of this question is xy square is equals to a cube, yz square is equals to b cube, zx square is equals to c cube. Multiplying all these things on multiplying x cube, y cube, z cube is equals to a cube, b cube, c cube. So by taking cube root we get xyz is equals to abc. Note down this equation number 1. Now by dividing x y square upon y z square is equals to a cube upon b cube, we get xy upon z square is equals to a cube upon b cube. From here we get xy is equals to a cube z square upon b cube. We mark this equation number 2. Now put value of xy from equation number 2 to in equation number 1. So a cube z square b raised to the power 3 into z is equals to abc. So z cube equals to b raised to the power 4 c upon a square. That is the final answer. Next question which asked in IGESO is, if a plus b plus c equals to 1, a square plus b square plus c square is equals to 21, a b c is equals to 8, then find the value of 1 minus a into 1 minus b 1 minus c. This is also question of IGESO asked in 2012. Solution of this question is 1 minus a into 1 minus b into 1 minus c. When we multiplied this terms we got ab plus bc plus ca minus abc. Now put the value 1 minus 1 plus ab plus bc plus ca minus 8, ab plus bc plus ca minus 8, a plus b plus c equals to 1. Squaring both sides we got ab plus bc plus ca. By squaring both sides and simplify we got the value of abc is minus 10. Put the value of this here, minus 10 minus 8 is equals to minus 18 is the answer.